Google Gemini app not working problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Gemini app not working problem. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Gemini. From here, update your Gemini app if it available. Now go back to home screen. Go to settings. Now scroll down and find apps or apps management option and click on it. Now click on search bar and search Gemini. Click on Gemini. Now scroll down, click on storage, click on clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back to home screen and open Gemini. See, problem solved successfully. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.